No, she just needs to see that what I'm doing. All right, so this is cranial nerves. So we're gonna start with one, which is your olfactory, which is smell. So you're just gonna wave something under, probably not sunscreen, but anything you have like alcohol pads or anything like that. Can you smell that? Okay, good. All right, next we're gonna go into checking vision. So 2 is gonna be your optic nerve. So you're gonna see if they can read something across the way. So can you read that box on the top?
They do fall back.
Good. Okay. So then we're gonna go into 3 and 4. They're both eye movements. You can also do 6 here. So we're gonna go have him follow our finger. We're gonna go up, down, side to side, and diagonal. So follow my finger. If at any time you can't see it, let me know. Can you see that?
Yeah.
And here we're looking for tracking. We're looking for any kind of malfunction of his eyes. We can also take a pen light and look at his pupil dilation with and without the light. We're also going to check for hearing. So you can just take your fingers and go up. You hear that? We want to check bilateral. You hear that? Okay. And now I want you to smile and clench your jaws like you're chewing. You don't have to do it. You don't have to do it at the same time. Stop smiling and then clench your jaws.
I don't think I can right now.
Like this. Okay, and then you can also lightly, gently touch their face, their head, making sure that they have sensation. We did their hearing. You also are going to do taste. So your 9 is like the back third of your tongue. So if you had salt or sugar, you could do that. And it's also used for swallowing. So can you swallow? Good. And if you're on the field, obviously you don't want to give them any kind of water or anything if you're checking this and you're holding C-spine. The vagus nerve you can check pulse with, so that would be, you can check here for their pulse. You want to check it bilaterally. She knows where the pulse is. Here. Bilaterally. So your 10, 11 is going to be your head movement, so you can have them tilt their head this way, or you can have them rotate into your hand. That also is depending if you're holding C-spine, you're not going to be doing that unless you are 100% sure there's nothing going on in that region. And then your last one, 12, is going to be controlling your tongue muscle. So stick your tongue out all the way out. As big as your tongue. Okay, then put it back in your mouth. Okay, good job. All right, so those are the cranial nerves.